Your legs are getting weaker right now. And by the time most people notice it, stairs feel harder, getting up from a chair takes effort, they've already lost 30% of the muscle protecting their joints. It's not age. It's a specific process nobody explains to you. And it's completely reversible. Stay till the end. I'll show you the one exercise most people over 40 skip, and it's the exact reason their legs keep getting weaker no matter what they do. Tell me in the comments, do your legs feel weaker than 5 years ago? I'm a physician, and I've worked with hundreds of patients over 40 who came to me with the same complaint. Their legs felt unreliable, weak, stiff, slow to respond. Most of them had been told it was just aging. Most of them were wrong. The science on this is clear, it's specific, and once you understand it, you can reverse a significant amount of what you've lost at any age after 40. Here's what's actually happening inside your legs right now. After 35, the human body begins losing muscle mass at a rate of 3 to 5% per decade. After 40, that rate accelerates. This process has a name, sarcopenia, and it doesn't happen equally across all muscle fibers. Your legs have two types of muscle fibers: slow twitch fibers for endurance, walking, standing; fast twitch fibers for power, speed, stability, and protecting your joints under sudden load. After 40, fast twitch fibers die off at nearly twice the rate of slow twitch fibers. This is why your legs might feel fine on a flat walk, but suddenly feel unstable on stairs, on uneven ground, or when you have to move quickly to catch your balance. Walking doesn't fix this. Cycling doesn't fix this. Swimming doesn't fix this. All of these are slow twitch dominant activities. They maintain endurance but do almost nothing to stop the fast twitch fiber loss that is making your legs functionally weaker every year. And there's something else happening underneath the muscle loss that makes everything worse. I'll show you that next. There's a second process happening that almost nobody talks about, and it's happening in your nervous system, not your muscles. Motor neurons are the nerve cells that tell your muscle fibers to contract. After 40, motor neurons begin dying off, particularly the ones connected to fast twitch fibers. When a motor neuron dies, the muscle fibers it controlled go with it. They don't weaken, they disappear. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Physiology found that adults over 40 had up to 30% fewer motor neurons controlling their leg muscles compared to adults in their 20s. Fewer motor neurons means less muscle fiber recruitment, less power output, and slower reaction time, even if the remaining muscle tissue looks healthy on a scan. This is why strength training specifically, not just activity, is the only intervention shown to slow motor neuron loss and maintain the neuromuscular connections that keep your legs functional. A walk around the block doesn't generate that signal, but there's one specific muscle in your legs that loses strength faster than anything else after 40, and it's the one that controls everything. Stay with me. The muscle is the gluteus medius, not the large gluteus maximus. The gluteus medius, the midsection of your hip, running from your pelvis to the top of your femur. Every time you take a step, the gluteus medius on your standing leg fires to keep your pelvis level. When it's weak, your pelvis drops on the opposite side. Your body compensates by shifting your knee inward, loading the inside of your knee joint, tightening your IT band, and compressing your lumbar spine. Every single step. I had a patient, David, 47, a high school teacher from Chicago, came to me with knee pain building for 2 years. Had seen 2 orthopedic surgeons. Both recommended surgery. When I assessed his gluteus medius, it was severely weakened on both sides, a 4 out of 10. His knees weren't the problem. His hips were failing to protect his knees. We gave David 3 targeted exercises, 15 minutes, 3 times a week. In 6 weeks, his knee pain was down 80%. In 4 months, it was gone. No surgery, no injections, no medication. The knee was the symptom. The weak hip was the cause. There's a reason the gluteus medius gets weak faster after 40, and it has to do with how you sit. I'll explain that now. The average American over 40 sits for 9 to 11 hours a day. When you sit, your hip flexors shorten and your gluteus medius switches off completely. It's called gluteal amnesia. The muscle literally forgets how to fire because it goes hours every day without being used. After years of this, the connection between your brain and your gluteus medius weakens. Even when you try to use it, walking, climbing stairs, exercising, it doesn't activate fully. Your IT band gets tight. Your lower back takes extra load. Your knees absorb forces they were never designed to handle. A 2020 study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that just 30 minutes of sitting significantly reduced gluteal muscle activation during movement. Now multiply that by 9 hours a day, 365 days a year, for 10 years. The fix is not just standing more. The fix is deliberate reactivation, training the gluteus medius to fire again in positions that replicate real movement. I'll show you exactly how in a moment. But first, the mistake that makes all of this worse. The most common mistake I see in patients over 40 trying to strengthen their legs, they focus exclusively on the front of the leg. Squats, leg press, leg extensions. Quadriceps dominant exercises. After 40, the quadriceps are typically not the weak link. The posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, the smaller stabilizing muscles of the hip is where the weakness lives. Training the quads without addressing the posterior chain puts enormous pressure on the knee joint. It's like making the front wheels of a car more powerful without fixing the rear suspension. I see this constantly. Patients going to the gym 3 times a week for years, doing squats and leg press, and their knees keep getting worse. Not because exercise is bad, because they're training the wrong muscles. 3 exercises that fix this. No equipment needed, done at home. First, the clamshell. Lying on your side, knees bent, feet together. Open the top knee against resistance. Directly targets the gluteus medius. 3 sets of 15. Second, the single leg Romanian deadlift. Standing on one leg, hinge at the hip and reach toward the floor. Builds the entire posterior chain while training balance. 3 sets of 10 each side. Third, the lateral band walk. Resistance band around your ankles, stepping sideways in a slight squat. 20 steps each direction. 3 sets. Do these 3 before any other leg work. 3 times a week. 4 weeks. And the difference in how your legs feel going upstairs, getting out of a car, walking on uneven ground will be significant. Your legs aren't getting weaker because of your age. They're getting weaker because of a specific reversible process: fast twitch fiber loss, motor neuron decline, gluteus medius weakness, posterior chain neglect. Every single one has a direct solution. Start with the clamshell tonight. 15 reps each side. That's your first step. If you want to know why your knees hurt going upstairs and the one muscle nobody tells you to strengthen, that video is right here.